Hello everyone. Welcome back to Information Arc, the go-to place for all things tech and beyond. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now and join our incredible community. Today's video is going to be mind-blowing as we unravel the incredible world of AI and why learning it is your ticket to shaping a smarter future. Stick around until the end, and let's dive right in. The AI revolution. Artificial intelligence, the phrase may sound like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very much a part of our reality. AI is the driving force behind the technological revolution we're witnessing. It's not just about robots and talking machines, it's about transforming industries, reshaping economies, and enhancing the way we live our lives. Applications of AI. Let's talk about the practical side of things. AI is everywhere, from voice assistants in our smartphones to recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases, predicting outbreaks, and personalizing treatment plans. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection and risk management. The applications are limitless, and this is just the beginning. Why AI matters. So, why should you care about AI? Well, it's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. The ability of AI to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions opens up new possibilities. It's about efficiency, innovation, and solving complex problems that seemed insurmountable before. Embracing AI means being part of a transformative journey that will define the future. Learning AI, where to start? Now, you might be thinking, how can I get into this world of AI? The good news is, you don't need a PhD in computer science to understand AI. There are incredible resources available online to help you get started. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Whether you're interested in machine learning, deep learning, or natural language processing, there's a course for you. Hands-on learning. Learning by doing is key. Once you've grasped the basics, dive into hands-on projects. Platforms like Kaggle provide real-world datasets and a community of like-minded individuals. You can work on projects like image recognition, predicting stock prices, or even creating your chatbot. The possibilities are endless, and the experience you gain is invaluable. Building a smart future. But it's not just about learning for the sake of it, it's about using your skills to contribute to a smarter future. Think about the challenges our world is facing: climate change, healthcare disparities, and more. AI has the potential to address these issues. Whether you're interested in developing sustainable solutions or creating innovative applications, your journey into AI can make a real impact. That concludes our deep dive into AI is the future. Learn AI and make a smart future. I hope this video has ignited a spark within you to explore the incredible world of AI. If you have any questions or want more content on AI, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for joining us today at Information Arc. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and let's build a smarter future together.